Another day with clouds and rain out there, and it's interesting because the clouds have kept us down. I mean, barely 90 degrees yesterday. We'll probably just skirt through 90 today and do this one more time tomorrow. 70s right now, light winds. None of these are in the rain, but there's plenty of rain out there to go around. Now, in the last 24 hours, most of the showers and storms yesterday afternoon were in our eastern counties, east of Corsicana, out by Athens and Palestine. But this morning, that bullseye is in our neighborhood south of Fort Worth. You get south of Cleburne. I mean, radar's overestimating. Weather Service says by a little bit. It's not by a lot, though, because I can tell you right now, a lot of these areas in northern parts of Bosque and Hill County reporting roads closed from flash flooding. Bloom, Walnut Springs, just north side of Lake Whitney. Hasn't really gotten too much into Johnson County yet, but the rain is on the way. And if you look closely again, we have one of these spinning vortices that's moving into the area. It's not anything big or bad, but it is tropical in nature almost. You can see that little spin. And typically what happens with these features when you have tropical air in place and light winds in the atmosphere, rain kind of compacts right near the center at night, late at night and early morning, and then expands outward during the day into showers and storms. You know, everybody wants to say, oh, heavy thunderstorms. There's barely been one lightning or two lightning strikes in the last couple of hours. This is just tropical downpours where it doesn't stop. It's over northern parts of Hill County right now and parts of eastern and northeastern Bosque County. Here in the Metroplex, it is raining. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely rain, but it's just light to maybe at times moderate. In Tarrant County, now moving into Grand Prairie and Duncanville and Cedar Hill, just to the west of Dallas. There's not a lot going on east or north of Dallas, but there's scattered showers out there as well. And again, you see this little spinning feature. It's going to be moving through the Metroplex this morning. It's not that everybody's getting rain. Heck, there's even some sun up to the north. So this isn't like 100%, but where it's raining, it's raining. And this rain hasn't moved much since 2 o'clock in the morning. Fortunately, it's now starting to move. So maybe after about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, should be able to at least see some of the flash flood warnings drop back. But there's been a half a foot of rain down there. And the dew points are high, which means the air is tropical in nature. And not only do we have this feature, I'm showing you the water vapor image because there was one up here, one over here, and there's another one down just west of San Antonio with flood warnings just to the west of Kerrville. And that's not a good thing because that's kind of the headwaters of the Guadalupe. So there's going to be more flooding there today. And these vortices are kind of getting pulled slowly in the flow because there's not a lot going on in the atmosphere. When you're in the summer, winds are light in the atmosphere generally. So if you get a feature like this, it can be very slow moving. We're going to get that one down in the hill country coming up over us tomorrow. There's also a little feature off the coast of Florida expected to go over Florida. A lot of heavy rain and flooding. Get out into the Gulf. Hurricane centers like 30% chance later this week. It could skirt along the northern Gulf, maybe become some kind of tropical depression. More heavy rain. Our forecast, though, with this around, finally our short-term models are picking up in this. They've been horrible lately at picking up on these little features, but we'll still see showers around this morning, spinning out. And the afternoon, as we heat it up, again, near the center, you don't get as much, but you'll get thunderstorms out ahead of it, scattered but heavy downpours, lightning, and maybe some 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts into the evening hours. So scattered showers and storms today. I do not think our models are handling it well for tomorrow. There's another one of these features up approaching us from the southwest. There could be some rain around tomorrow morning and scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon hours. So day 2, we got another one tomorrow, and after that it should quiet down. Today, morning rain, only about maybe 40% of us seeing the rain, but still there's a flood risk, whoever gets it. Tomorrow, about 30%, 93, and then 95 on Wednesday. And as we heat it up later this week, except a stray shower southeast Friday, it's going to start to get hot, 98s, 99s, but just under 100.